All right, come on, buddy. All right. Okay, so we're almost back. And if we get a chance, I'm gonna see if I could, I'll show you all how I strap Buddy in his in the seat belt when I drive him, because I'm almost back to my car right now, and we'll do that. It was a nice day for a walk today. It's got to be 70 degrees and sunny. Actually beautiful out. Walked for about 3 miles today. Stick 'em on, buddy. No. All right. Here we go. We're getting spoiled again. Whoa. So we're gonna have to pick you up. Yeah, you know the routine. You get spoiled. You get carried. Or he gets stubborn. He gets stubborn and he gets carried because he just wants to stop right in the middle of the walk. And it's like, you can't stop right in the middle of the walk, buddy. All right. But anyways, I want to show everybody how I strap the Budman in the car. All right. In the seat. Oof, a little dusty in here. Put it in the seat. All right. Hit the windows down a little bit. Okay. Alrighty. As you can see, there's the Bud. As you can see. There we go. There's Buddy. And there's the seatbelt. And I'm just going to strap it right in. There's a seatbelt right here, and I just strap it right through his harness. Let me see. It's simple. It takes literally 2 seconds. Alrighty. And he doesn't seem to mind it. See, he just goes. So he just goes right through the harness, and then buckle it right in there, and he's good to go. And as you can see, he's not going anywhere. He's in that harness, and he is safe. And he's not going to jump out the window or do anything really dangerous. Alrighty. And that's Buddy signing out. Alright, everybody, have a good day. Peace out. And remember, if you like this video, you know what to do.